Hi. In addition to our credit money machine web that you know and love, we now give you for free our mobile app. So this is rendering on how it will look on your mobile. Essentially, you can choose to do it in desktop view and obviously it will look like in desktop view. You would need to increase the size or zoom it in with your finger to be able to see the things correctly. But, we have a new option now, and that is mobile view. Now, you can click on it, and then log in, and then, you have a very airy way if you are on the road. You're not gonna have the 100 of features that we have in desktop view, but, you're gonna have the essential things that you need when you are on the road. First of all, here you have the shortcuts. If you are not familiar with these, it is a good idea that you check them. Through these, you can go to any website that you want. You can program these buttons and go directly with one click. Now, you can click on contacts for example, and then you can select here either active contacts, leads, affiliates, the one that are dues, and you can sort them. You can also do a search, you can add a contact, and you can edit a contact. But not only that, let's say that if you click this one for example, you can click the map icon here and see the address, and then you can get directions if you are on the road. Also you can dial the phone number, or you can email the person either with the email on your mobile, or the email on your program. You can also see all the fields that you filled in, and you can edit. Yes, you can edit everything, you can change whatever you want, and also, you can add and retrieve notes. So for example, I'm just gonna put here the text that this is just a new note and then I can save it. Now, I can go in the dispute center, and of course the dispute center is in desktop view, so you have to increase it with your fingers, but still, it is possible to extracts, do a report, and anything, like you're gonna be sending a letter to LetterStream, it is all possible to send it from there. We strongly recommend that you use Chrome in your mobile, because it is much better. Now, for example, I'm gonna put here Louise, and you see that I can immediately see Louise there. I can delete that or cancel, and it comes back to all. And then here we have the task. And here we have all the task and also the future task. The ones that are displayed here are the correct task, or the task that are due, and this one is the future task. So you can view a task, you can add a task, and you can modify a task. You can also click in here to edit, and you can delete a task. And that's essentially what it is. It is so ultra fast on your mobile, and you're gonna be very happy like when you're on the road and be able to do all those things. By the way, I forgot to explain that for example, if you are an affiliate and it has this icon, you can click on it, and be able to select the members that are below that particular contact or that affiliate. So these are people, and this one is also an affiliate but it is under also the previous affiliate, and it is Susan. So I'm gonna search here Susan to look for it right now, but it doesn't appear because it is selecting from the ones I have, so I would need to first select all, and then search again for Susan. So now, I have Susan which is an affiliate, and now I can go and select people that are under contacts, clients, and you can also have here what they are. For example, this one is for not active client, and this one is for active client, and this is an active client as well. You can see the different types of client here or when you select them. So that's pretty much that. I hope that you enjoy it. And let us know your comments. Thank you.